Hello class. So today we are going to take up to the next topic, that is the stem. And for that I thought of taking you to my small little space where I have grown certain plants. And this is the best way we can understand the stem portion. First things, what we see we must understand. We are going to talk about this stem. We should know that stem is the vertically upright position part that is above the ground. As you can see, I have a potted plant here. This is the stem portion that you can see. It is above the ground, right? And it grows vertically upwards. This is the growth it is doing. That is against the gravity. Roots are somewhere inside, and stem is the portion that is above the root, above the ground. Now when we are talking about the stem, can you see what it is holding up? Yes, you can give it a try. Yes, I am putting up some hints. Yes, this is the leaf portion they bear. And what about in this particular section? The stem is holding the bunch of the flowers also. You can see the bunch of flowers also, right? Buds are also there, right? So that is what we are going to speak out today. When we are talking about, see, the buds are there, the flowers are there, the leaves is there, the branches are coming out from the stem portion. So basically, when we talk about the stem, first thing you should know, it holds leaves, flowers, buds, fruits, etc. Branches also, right? The second very important function is what it's going to do. What is the role the plant has given it to perform? It will conduct water and minerals from roots to the leaves. So it is basically doing the function of a lift. नीचे का सामान ऊपर, और ऊपर से जो सामान आएगा, that is it is going to carry the food manufactured by leaves to other parts of the plant. So let us see how it is going to do. I'm giving you example of this bamboo stick, right? It is a thick stem. As you can see, I have cut down this leaf to this floor only. The roots are here somewhere. Yes, you can see the roots also coming out. These, I'm putting water here. So from here, the roots are going to punch in this water and forward it to the stem portion. The stem will take it to the leaves because here the photosynthesis is going to happen. So now the leaves will take up this water and minerals. If you have taken the nutrients into the soil, then it is going to do the performance of photosynthesis. And what if leaves are doing something? Leaves are preparing food. It is going to give it to the whole part of the plant through the stem portion only. So we are through with this first point. We are through with the second point and the third point. Stem holds the plant upright. So all my stem, as you can see, they are upright, they are straight, and this is all because stem holds the plant upright. And inside the stem, when we will open it in your senior classes, inside of the stem carries a lot of tissues, and they are called xylem and phloem. I have got something to share also. The modifications of stem. We have seen stem, other than these small functions they perform, certain plants, they show some other things also. Like in the case of potato, as you can see in this particular section, potato and this, yes, ginger, very well recognized. This is the swollen underground part where it is going to store food. There are basically three types: potato, onion and ginger, right? And you can see the lines on this. These are the nodes, right? So when there is a new word coming up, node, let us take you to the structure of a stem. Dear student, this is the stem. And this is the portion from where you are going to see the leaves coming out. This is the node portion, right? And between one node and the two node, this space is called internode. I have highlighted this here. This portion is the internode. यहाँ पे ये एक नोड है, ये ऊपर दूसरी नोड है, इसके बीच में इंटरनोड जो है वहाँ पर कोई ग्रोथ नहीं दिखेगी प्लांट की, कोई लीफ नहीं निकलेगा, यहाँ से कहीं ब्रांचेस नहीं निकलेंगी. तो ये आपका एपिकल पार्ट हो गया, ये एपिकल बड हो गई जो टॉप मोस्ट बड होती है, यहाँ से ये एपिकल सेक्शन हुआ, ठीक है. और ये आपका नोड पोर्शन हो गया और ये आपका इंटरनोड पोर्शन हो गया. एंड दिस इज द स्टेम, द इरेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर. Now you can see the swollen part of the stem. We have discussed the potato also. This is a swollen underground stem that will store food. We eat this food very nicely, right? This highlighted portion is the eye of the potato. EYE, eye of the potato. This is the node. The nodes that we discussed here. See how different it is in the nature, and this difference in the nature is the biodiversity. Right, my dear class? Stems sometimes in the case of cactus, they become swollen and they perform the photosynthesis process, right? That is, you have seen it in the cactus. You can see this one particular plant here in my leaf area, this portion. The stem is quite weak, right? The stem is quite weak. Now here it is going to develop some tendrils. When the stems of the climbers, they are very weak, they get some structure for the support, and that is called the tendrils, like in grapes and other plants also. And you have seen a rose plant has got prickles because it is going to protect itself from being eaten up by the plants. And these prickles are hard and they are tough, they are sharp, also pointed, so nobody can easily cut the stem of the rose. For multiplication of plants also, the stems are used. So basically what we have studied today, what is a stem? Stem is the vertically upright position of the part of the plant. It is the portion of the plant which is just above the ground. Second, what is the main function? These are the main function. Stem holds the plant upright. It carries water and minerals from roots to leaves, food, and it holds leaves and flower. But other than these basic function, some plants are showing modifications also, which we have discussed with examples. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.